It is the A4988 stepper motor driver. QT Py RP2040 is what I'm using here, running CircuitPython. And you can see I actually have 5 wires running from it for GPIO. So I'm doing the direction and step, but I'm also using these MS1, 2, and 3 pins to set the micro-stepping size. I've got a little NEMA 17 12-volt stepper motor. Now I'm set to 16 steps per step, essentially. So it's taking about 3,000 little micro steps to get around 360 degrees. I'm going to move this up to the fastest right here. So this is 1 micro mode. So this is whole steps. It'll only take 200 steps to get around the 360 degrees, much, much faster. Check it out. This is when things are zipping around. Whip, 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 whip. This is my product pick of the week this week. It is the A4988 stepper motor driver.